eLoanWarehouse is an online lender owned and operated by an American Indian tribe. eLoanWarehouse's loans are relatively small, up to $2,500, and may be funded within the same or next business day. But fees and APRs are beyond sky high. Pros: online application with quick funding possible. Loyalty program with discount possible on future loans if you pay your loan in full and make on-time payments. Cons: very high fees that equate to high APRs. Not available in every state. What do you need to know about personal loans from eLoanWarehouse? eLoanWarehouse is an online tribal lender that's owned and operated by the Lac-Courte Oreilles Band of Lake Superior Chippewa Indians. If you're approved for a loan and sign the documents before 11:45 a.m. at Eastern Time, you may receive loan funds in your bank account on the same day that you apply if you apply on a business day. First-time customers may be able to borrow up to $2,500, and repeat customers may be able to borrow up to $3,000. eLoanWarehouse markets its installment loans as alternatives to payday loans because you don't need to pay them off completely by your next paycheck, as you do with typical payday loans. The loan term length is typically within 9 months, with a repayment schedule that aligns with your paycheck dates. You make payments on a weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly schedule, depending on when you get paid. Fees can add up to an exceptionally high APR. eLoanWarehouse says it charges a fee for every $100 borrowed, with costs translating to annual percentage rates, or APRs, of around 400% to 800%. The higher end of this range is about double the APRs that come with typical payday loans. To put into context just how high that cost is, consider that the National Consumer Law Center says that 36% is the highest interest rate for small loans that's reasonable for people to repay. With rates as high as eLoanWarehouse's, your loan debt could be overwhelming. Returning customers may qualify for a fee discount. If you're approved for a loan, you automatically become a member of the eLoanWarehouse Rewards Program. As a eLoanWarehouse Reward Program member, you can qualify for discounted loan fees on future loans if you make on-time payments and pay off your existing loan. There's no prepayment penalty. There's no prepayment penalty for paying off your loan early. eLoanWarehouse encourages people to pay off their loans with a lump sum or extra payments to save on loan fees. A closer look at eLoanWarehouse personal loan. If you're considering eLoanWarehouse, here are a few things to know before applying. You may pay extra fees. eLoanWarehouse may charge additional fees if you don't pay on time or in full. Be sure to read through your loan agreement to find out how much fees will cost you. There are application restrictions. You need to be 18 years or older and a U.S. resident to apply. Active duty military members and their spouses and dependents can't borrow from eLoanWarehouse. Not available in all states. eLoanWarehouse personal loans aren't available in Arkansas, Connecticut, Georgia, Massachusetts, Minnesota, New York, Pennsylvania, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, Wisconsin, or West Virginia. Credit check required. eLoanWarehouse may perform a credit check when you apply for a loan, although it's unclear if this is a soft or hard inquiry. There are bankruptcy restrictions. You can't apply for a loan if you're a debtor in a bankruptcy case or intend to file for bankruptcy. Who eLoanWarehouse personal loan is good for? You should turn to eLoanWarehouse only if you need money to cover a small expense and have no other options. eLoanWarehouse personal loan is small and expensive. It's not a good option for debt consolidation or any major purchase. eLoanWarehouse fees are extremely high. If you need to borrow from eLoanWarehouse, do your best to pay your loan off early to minimize fees. Make sure you fully understand the cost of doing business with eLoanWarehouse or any other emergency lender before you sign loan documents. If at all possible, consider shopping with other lenders and considering options like payday alternative loans. Payday alternative loans are small loans offered by some federal credit unions. To qualify for one, you need to be a member of a credit union for at least 1 month. These loans typically have lower fees than payday loans and other short-term products. How to apply with eLoanWarehouse. eLoanWarehouse has a simple online loan application. If you're approved and you agree to the loan terms, you'll electronically sign your documents and money will be deposited into your checking account. Here's some of the personal information eLoanWarehouse asks for in its application. Name and address, email address and phone number, date of birth, social security number, employer name and income information, checking account information.